Educational GMAT. Your partner in your GMAT journey.
This is going to be a bit tricky. Again, it is also utilizing the concept of probabilities, which we've not done for one batch. So notice it clearly mentions that each of the symbol represents 10 students in a sample of 300, which means total of how many such symbols are there?
30.
30. Very nice. Correct. Because each symbol represents 10 students and there are a total of 300 students who are represented. So there are a total of,
outside, right?
Sorry?
Those 10 symbols are like outside the circle, right? That's what
outside the circles. Absolutely right. These, so basically the total, right? So this plus this plus this plus this and so on, right? All these symbols, if you add them up, they will be 30. And so 30 symbols in total represent 300 students because each symbol is 10 students. All right. If one student is selected at random from the 300 surveyed, the chance, by the way, chance is probability. That does, sorry. All right. That the student will be under 30 or a high school graduate or both. Under 30. Let's look at under 30. Tell me, how do we find out under 30 from this diagram?
It would be the students who are outside the Venn diagram.
Under 30 is what? Students who are outside of what? The first circle. See, the first circle is greater than equal to 30. Agreed? Which means anyone who is outside the first circle is under 30. Are you clear? Correct. So under 30 would be this. This means basically this and this. Everyone outside the first circle. Ritvik, where are you? Okay. All right. Under 30, we've got an under 30. All right. High school graduate. Outside the second circle, absolutely. Because second circle is no high school graduate, which means everyone outside of the second circle would be high school graduate, correct? Which would mean what? By the way, this and this, right? Everything outside the entire first circle would be high school graduate. No, 1 second. So now under 30 or a high school graduate or both, which would be now what? The entire shaded area. Right now, the shaded area, correct? Which would be, as Ritvik rightly pointed out, 5 out of 6, right? The entire shaded area, which would be this, this, and obviously this. So basically everything apart from the common area. That's the shaded area basically. So that's the answer. Why are we doing, again, for those of you for whom it's, for those of, if you are not clear, what do we do? Basically, this shaded area, this entire shaded area, and obviously this one. So if you look at it, the only symbols that are excluded are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So 5 out of 30 do not qualify. So how many do qualify, by the way? The remaining 25 out of 30, which is 5 out of 6. So that's the reason for 5 out of 6. So the only area that does not qualify in this set of conditions is this area. So this is the only area that does not qualify. So 5 out of 30 do not qualify. Basically, there are a total of 30 symbols, right? 5 out of 30 do not qualify, which means 25 out of 30 do qualify this criteria.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, when you're saying or both, doesn't it mean we are including the intersection, the 5?
Both is this, right? In this case.
Okay, it is
See,
not the intersection between.
no, think about it. Think about it. What does this intersection represent? They are representing over 30 and no high school diploma. Do you agree, Vishnu?
Got it, got it.
We have to look at exactly the opposite. Under 30, right, and a high school diploma. All right. Okay, so the diagram remains the same. And this is the question. If one one student is selected, the chance that the student will be both. Okay, this actually is talking about what you were mentioning. Both, okay, all right. Both under 30 and a high school graduate. All right, tell me, under 30 again would be outside of the first circle, correct?
Yes.
High school diploma would be outside the second circle.
Yes.
Very nice, right? So now both under 30 and high school graduate would be what? This is the both that we are talking, right? These ones. And so what's the answer? Sorry? Very nice. So if you count them, they would be 10. I mean, if you count the symbols, guys. Right? Notice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.